Yeah, my people, welcome back to Aromatic Realistic TV, where I bring you content with substance and clarity. We don't sugarcoat it, we give it to you as raw as it is, undiluted. But tonight, we'll be talking about some football. And the hierarchy of the Jamaica Labour Party sabotage, directly destroy and damage the Reggae Boys' dream of qualifying for the World Cup in Qatar. Yeah. It's alleged that what started the fuse between the JFF, the Jamaica Football Association, and the hierarchy of the Jamaican Labour Party is that one Edward Siaga. He was the manager for the PLCA, understand? And that is the Premier League Club Association of Jamaica at the time. And Siaga was the president. So the man there in charge of sponsoring and see to it that the league run good. Anyway, we know Siaga take ill and he hand down the post to Mike Henry. And we all know Mike Henry is another giant in the Jamaica Labour Party. So anyway, so that is the PFJL, Professional Football Jamaica Limited. So I don't know what happened between them and Mike Henry. And I think he resigned from that post. It's now run by the PFJL, Professional Football Jamaica Limited. And it was alleged that the hierarchy in the Jamaica Labour Party, Sir Desmond Mackenzie, Oliver Babsy Grange, and the Prime Minister, Andrew Wallace, were not pleased. So that these people, this Siaga and this Mike Henry. So that's where the beef. So that's what happened. Christopher Tufton, which is the head of the health ministry, give the green light for fans to go to the national stadium whenever Jamaica have a home game. And the other head of the JLP decided that it's not going to happen. There's no way it's going to happen. They gave us one game with fans, USA game. 5,000 vaccinated fans. Out of that 5,000, 1,000 was granted to the US. So that leaves us with 4,000 fans. And if we can recall that match, we had an excellent game. We should have easily won that game. If it wasn't the blunder from the referee to disallow Damian Lowe goal, we would have won that game by 2-1. But it's the referee blunder that cost us that game. So when people gonna say fans does not mean anything, you're just insulting our football intelligence. Now for the people who talk about football, them never kick a ball from them bang. Sometimes you wonder if a tool left corner mouth them off. Because the way they talk, sometimes you have to wonder. So if it's a right side or a left side they have. Kind of seems that way at times. It seems like a two left corner mouth them off. Because them don't know nothing about ball. But them a come talk about ball. We Jamaican people, we sleep ball. We eat ball, we dream ball, we talk ball, we live ball. And you go take that from us. And representative of the government gonna go on television and talking about it no matter if there was funds or not. We would make it either way. That's all the government can send out there to do, man. To make a fool of yourself. Because a lot of you know, out there where they go on like a somebody, you know, man. You are nothing more than a bag of incompetent assholes, you know, man. Yeah, man. How can somebody go and make a speech like that? Remember, you know, in the heights of the pandemic, you know, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, you know, called a election. See, remember also, you know, in the heights of the pandemic, you know, they understand they grant a permit for a dream weekend. Remember, you know, also, you know, in the heights of the pandemic, you know, they allow cruise ship to dock in Jamaica. And I'm saying, your election, you get what, 20%, PMP must be 10 hours. So say 30% come out for the election. Dream weekend maybe 5%. You understand, of Jamaican support those events. And an event that Jamaican people is behind 100%. 99.9% of Jamaica support them football, love them football, dream them football, talk them football, sleep them football. And you deny 99% of Jamaica the access to see their team in the national stadium. But you can grant a permit for a dream weekend that maybe only 5% of Jamaican interested in. You call your election, which is maybe just 30% of Jamaica interested in. And you're letting tons of people on their cruise ship in the eyes of the pandemic. So what's the reason why you guys did not allow us support us in the national stadium? It means a lot. I play football, I coach football. When you're at home, there's a different buzz. There's a different atmosphere, different feeling. So home advantage is very effective for the home team. If that weren't the case, then you would play every match on the road. So when you send a representative on television, they go tell Jamaican people that is neither A nor day if supporters was there. The reggae boy won't go drop out anyway. You're not telling a damn lie, man. You should be ashamed of your damn self. Bringing politics in Jamaican football. Right? And I'm going to remind Jamaica, you know, this. So remember, you know, when PJ was there, you know, PJ give Rennie Smalls and the Jamaica Football Federation 100%. He was there with them 100%. That was 98. And what happened? This time around, it is the JLP administration is in. And what they do, they drive a nail in the Jamaica Football Federation and the Jamaican football fan coffee and lick we out of Qatar. And then you know I come and talk about who love people and who love the Jamaican people. Look what is going on in Jamaica. Look the chaos. Look the chaos. Look the killing, the crime. You understand? And Jamaica qualify for a World Cup. would make a whole lot difference on the people of Jamaica, because we are so passionate about our sports. You guys are using politics, petty. If something go down with the late Siaga and Mike Henry and the PFJL, they should sort that out. But you shouldn't penalize the whole Jamaica for that. You should make the whole Jamaica have to suffer for that. Guys, pour your wrath out on the entire Jamaica for something that went down between the PFJL, Professional Football Jamaica Limited, and Mr. Henry. And they could not solve that. You victimize the Jamaican people for that. You see how petty these leaders are and incompetent. You see, when somebody said Andrew Wellness and the Jamaica Labour Party, you just have some fly by night and pitch by day, run out. Some jump up, come bust me, run out. Some ragged 11 and some dirty 12, run out. But I'm just going to remind you guys that this one is not for you. Who has difficulties pronouncing long or short complex word? If you have a limited vocab, trust and believe this one is not for you. If you have difficulties expressing simple ideas, this one is not for you. I repeat, you have difficulties expressing simple ideas, this one is not for you. Not having or showing the necessary skills to do something successful, this one is not for you. I repeat, not having or showing the necessary skills to do something successfully, this one is not for you. If your IQ is as low from the bullfrog belly to the ground, this one is not for you. If you are ignorant, this one is not for you. If you are lacking knowledge or awareness in general, this one is not for you. I repeat, if you are lacking knowledge or awareness in general, this one is not for you. Uneducated or unsophisticated, this one is not for you. And the reason why I'm saying this, if a lady give birth to a child, one week old or 2 weeks old, and you give that child a chicken bone or a dumpling, the evidence is gonna show that you were trying to kill that child. Right? Or you kill that child. Because at that tender age, should not get in nothing more than is mom's breast milk. Right? So you see where I'm going. So I would definitely want to kill that child to give that child a chicken bone or a dumpling. Well, it's the same thing to try to engage someone in a conversation who their IQ is as low from a bullfrog belly to the ground, or their IQ is lower than 0. That person can't comprehend. So it doesn't matter what you tell that person, he's not gonna understand what you are saying. In other words, you give that person a rope, show him a tree, and then you would have to show him the branch to tie the rope and tie a knot and jump off, and you know what else. You understand? So it's like you tell that person to go and commit suicide, because that person will never be able to engage in the conversation that you are trying to involve that individual in. He won't grasp, he won't comprehend, he would rather to get ignorant. That person would rather to get ignorant, wanna swear, what if you do with your mother, what then we do with your one. Yeah. So you don't waste time on those persons or those people. Okay? I'm trying to reach the people who their IQ is up there, have an understanding of what is going on, and know right from wrong, and know that what the JLP hierarchy do this time to the Jamaican Football Federation, the Jamaica football team, and the Jamaican fans, it was morally wrong. It was morally wrong. Okay? You take a fuse from the presidency and you hurt the entire Jamaica for that little fuse. And then few days after, you come and you say, Gibson, 10,000 vaccinated fans. What a slap in the lovers of football face. But you guys are running an incompetent administration. And every department in this administration are flawed. So, trust and believe that when you it won't, and it won't that one it won't, and it won't that one I call for a magnum. But I just hope the Jamaican people remember this one. This one really hit home. The hierarchy of the JLP, the hierarchy of the Jamaican Labour Party, Sabotage the people of Jamaica, a fuse that go down between Mike Henry and the PFLJ, Professional Football Jamaica Limited, and they use it. Sabotage, deliberately destroy and damage the Reggae Boys' opportunity for Qatar. Well done once more, Jamaica Labour Party. From a year device, you know it's an aromatic realistic TV. So stay tuned, because I bring you content with substance and clarity. We no sugarcoat. We give it to you as raw as it is. Much love, my people. Stay focused, Jamaica. Now watch your distraction. Because they're good at that. Much love.